Well, this is a view to start off my morning. What's up, man? How's it going? Oh, sick. Alright, I'm here with Nick in his 350Z. We're gonna have two 350Z videos in a row. And yeah, his has at least more aesthetic changes. Woo! Oh, I love me one of these. So, what all have you done today?
Oh, the main thing, right, as you would know, is the big ass wings. It's kind of what I've known for over here.
Yeah.
Really, I had a muffler leak. Long story short, I got pulled over twice by the same cop for the same reason, for being too loud. So he basically told me to fix it, or else I just keep getting a ticket. And eventually a state rep.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, it's not nice,
Yeah.
So let's see what else. I have a red delete and a white pipe, and then a pop charger. That's about it for performance so far.
So far, what are your plans? Performance-wise?
At least I should be supercharged by next year. That's the end.
Yeah, Cody was talking about different motor options. He talked about supercharging his.
If I blow the BQ, I'm LS swapping it. That's for sure.
Yeah. I've noticed a lot of people swapping these.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, if it blows up, you might as well swap
Yeah.
something better.
Yeah, for sure. And that's a light engine with a lot of power.
Yeah. From where I got it from, apparently whoever owned this first cut the springs. So right now I'm running on stock suspension with cut springs. But it rides alright.
Yeah.
But I should be getting coils next. That's the plan.
It does feel pretty stiff.
Oh yeah.
Stock suspension. And then of course you've done more aesthetic stuff. You've done wheels, right?
Yeah.
I've seen it with 3 different kinds of
Oh yeah.
350Zs pull off the big wings so well. Oh yeah, that's real nice.
Oh yeah. I totally forgot about this, but I have a stage 2 clutch.
Yeah.
Look, I just got that, so like, I totally forgot. Where's the Miata?
The Miata's broken right now. It still won't start. That's funny, in the last video it was still broken. Alternator's good, battery's good, so the battery's not being drained. We left the battery in the car overnight, it's not being drained. So my next thought is starter.
It's so quiet, it's pissing me off.
So quiet. Everyone keeps telling me to whack the starter with a wrench and just see if it turns over. I'm doubting that's gonna be the fix. I bet I'm gonna have to put on a new starter, which I don't want to do. Yeah, it's so refreshing to be in a quiet car after Cody's.
I know, when I put my muffler back on, straight up, I was on the freeway, I was like, wow, I can hear my music.
Yeah, you can hear things.
Right?
Yeah, Cody's was just ridiculously loud the entire time.
He spins flames too.
Yeah, we stopped and revved the hell out of it and got flames on camera, which was sick.
Funny story right here. We were going on a cruise like last week with all my friends, right? And like we lost each other at the light, so I stopped right there, and we just started lining up, waiting for each one of us. And we don't know why, but people just started lining up behind us, and then
I know, I keep seeing that thing.
that's fucking mid.
I know, and it never moves. Well, I'll get a shot of that when we come back. So how is this car daily? Like,
it fucking sucks. First, so I drive from Blaine to Bellingham almost every day for college.
Yeah.
I'll fill up once a week, and each tank is like $50, so yeah. not to mention, I rack up miles.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not all too bad. Like, I break a whole lot of necks, like daily.
Yeah.
Which is pretty nice. My neighbors absolutely hate me.
Yeah.
Let's see.
I mean, that's gonna be with any car enthusiast. Yeah.
For sure. Unless your neighbor's a car enthusiast.
Yeah.
But
I feel like there should be like a neighborhood in every town for just car enthusiasts, so that we can all up and I'll be
Oh, no,
woken
I feel
up
like
by.
I'll be pissed too, to be honest.
If I was woken up by someone, I mean, I'd be a lot less pissed off being woken up by someone's car rather than someone's lawnmower.
True. Dude, my neighbor is
the worst.
It wasn't even in the morning. It was like 10:30 at night, and this guy just starts cutting his grass. like I was just out working on cars with my friends.
Yeah.
We're just like, what the fuck is he doing? Just casually cutting his grass.
Yeah.
But yeah, it was fun.
Middle of the night.
Yeah, for real.
That's the worst. That sucks. And who does that at 10?
Yeah, exactly. Like,
That's ridiculous.
Not to mention, it was like a Wednesday night.
Yeah. Let's see, why'd you get it?
Okay, so for my first car, I had a 1989 Toyota Supra that my dad had. So he's like, oh, I guess I could give this to you. And I was like, oh, cool. You know,
It's a Supra.
it's a Supra. Like, of course I'm gonna like it.
Yeah.
And after driving that bucket for a year in high school, it was a good car. I still have it, of course. I'm not gonna sell a Mach 3 because it's somewhat rare around here.
Yeah.
So, which it doesn't run right now because for God who knows, I don't know what's wrong with it. I think it's a mass flow sensor, but it could be a lot of things.
Yeah.
But it was ghetto. It was extremely ghetto. I replaced the starter, the battery, and alternator, but for some reason, every once in a while, I would have to get it jumped after school. It was probably the most embarrassing thing ever because I'll be walking around, hey man, can you jump me again?
Yeah.
He's like, oh, whatever, you know. It was open diff, so there's no fun in that.
Yeah.
It was pretty slow. I got beat by my friends Intrepid in I think it was an 04 Dodge Intrepid, and it was so bad. I was like, and not to mention, I had a girl in the car I was trying to impress.
Oh,
I was like, you know, I'll beat him real quick, you know, and like, keep in mind this Intrepid is a fucking boat.
Yeah.
so we're just cruising, and then we do I think a 30 pull, and I was like, oh cool, I'm pulling on him, and then I heard, what? I look over, I just see a boat just like, oh frick. And it was quite embarrassing. The girl looked at me, thought this car is fast. I was like, shut up. It's not funny.
Oh my god.
Probably my most embarrassing lose.
Dude, that people, Dodge Intrepid is the new Supra Eater.
Exactly, dude. It was a 3.4 liter V6. And it was funny because we cut the muffler off of that car, and it sounded like a V8.
That's awesome.
And we pissed off my neighbor because we were just driving up and down my street.
Yeah.
He comes out, I got kids on the street. We're all looking around. Where? He's like, well, they're in the house, but you get the point. I was like, no, not really. It was so funny. But after driving that for a year, I was like, okay, I'm tired of constantly fixing it because it was my daily, it was my only car. So like, I'll have to constantly find rides, to work, to school.
Yeah.
And I just got tired of it, so I was like, oh, I'm just gonna look into making payments on a car.
Yeah.
So, and then I was like, if I'm gonna pay for a car, I might as well pay for a dream car.
Yeah.
And I've always loved the 350, so I was like, I'm gonna go look at this 350.
Yeah.
I was like, yo, Dad. And keep in mind, I was like 17, 16, so I can't really technically finance it by myself.
Yeah.
I was like, yo, Dad, help me out with this. Like, sign the papers, I'll give you the money, you pay for the car. And we just recently transferred the car into my name.
Yeah.
So now I'm just paying for it myself.
Yeah.
It's like, I think it was a 5-year commitment. I was like, well, this is gonna suck if I break it.
Yeah.
So that's why I'm not really doing performance mods right now, because like, I don't want to like ruin the reliability of the VQ. Yeah, I keep like 2 pans of quarts, like 2 5-quarts of oil in the back, because they're victorious for burning oil.
VQ life.
And so I'm just paying that off. I'm doing all the cosmetic mods right now because, like I said, I don't want to jeopardize the reliability of the VQ. And that's about it.
Yeah.
Right now, like, I didn't really want to go for that clean, typical stance horse look.
Yeah.
So I was like, I'm just gonna go all out wild because, like, I like the menacing, like really aggressive looking cars, like straight out of like a track pack.
Yeah.
So like I did the chassis mount. I'm gonna lower it, you know.
Yeah.
Got the RPF ones, aggressive as offset in the back.
Yeah.
Like I really need a camber or else I just keep rubbing. It's kind of bad.
Yeah. It's not super quiet.
Oh yeah, I still have my resonator and my Wi-Fi, so
yeah.
It's like it's still good.
It's still something.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, it's not bad at all. Yeah, I don't see a lot of 350s in this color.
Le Mans orange. They only made a selective few for this year. Each year of the 350, they have a special color. And 03 was the Le Mans orange. So handling wise, it's alright.
Yeah. I mean, it feels a lot more planted.
Oh yeah, that's for sure.
Like everyone always looks at me, they're like, "Oh, you've got a Miata. It probably handles really well."
It's like a go-kart.
It's like a go-kart. It's very light, but like it also has absolute shit suspension, so it's got tons of body roll.
Might have pissed off an old man.
That sounded fantastic. Oh. From the outside, those flybys sound awesome.
Really?
Yeah. There's so many people that are going to 350Zs. It's like the new 240SX.
Yeah, for real. First of all, it's really responsive. It's pretty fast. You know the whole DEHR kind of thing, drama. Like I have the 03, so this is the first year of the 350, and it came with the VQ35DE, which is apparently the slowest of the bunch, but it does have more torque than EHR. So it's a little bit more responsive, I think. I'm probably gonna get shitted on in the chat or the comments, but
I mean, it feels quicker, but not faster.
Fast. Yeah, that's for sure.
There's a big difference there.
Out of all the races I've raced, I've only lost once. That's to a Stage 2 2014 STI.
Yeah.
I raced a built M3 E36.
Yeah.
You know Raj, right? Red one, wide body.
Yes.
Yeah. When he was NA, he had a NA built engine. He's like, hey, race, or he wants to see how fast his thing was.
Yeah.
And me was like, oh dude, I'm gonna get shat on.
Yeah.
You know, I was like, yeah, whatever, you know. And I was like, huh, I'm pulling on him. And me and my friend were just freaking the frick out. Like, what the hell? Like, oh my god. And then it was funny. He was really not expecting that, and now he's supercharged.
Yeah.
So he's like, you want to race again? I was like, why? I'm not even worth or your gas. He's like, yeah, it's true. Let's see. And raced an Evo. Surprisingly beat that.
Yeah.
Surprisingly. I don't know how.
Built Evo or?
No, it was on stock. That's probably why. But I beat that Intrepid. I was like, yo, run it back. Other reasons why I like it, just the body style. Like I said, when I was a kid, I grew up with the whole Need for Speed Underground. So the thing was the second one. This car was like the top car of the game. So I was like, oh shit, I have to get this.
Do you plan to build the Supra?
Oh yeah. I'm gonna either 1J or 2J. I already have the transmission for it, so just waiting on the right price of an engine.
Yeah.
I got a ticket for the wing too.
Really?
Yeah. I got pulled over and the cop's like, is this even legal? I was like, well, they sell it online and they ship it to my house. Pretty legal.
Yeah.
Technically anything modified is illegal, so.
Yeah, but there's so many modified cars out there. It's impossible to enforce that.
Life's too boring. You got a stock car.
Yeah. Do you have any other cosmetic plans for this car? Other than,
I want a rocket bunny.
You're gonna rock it.
I want to, but like I said, I like being unique.
Yeah.
And everybody does. If they wide body, they go rocket bunny. So I've been talking to RAS.
Yeah.
You know, Kai took his 40, and we might do something.
That would be sick.
And I can't say much, but we're gonna do something. I'll give you a hint. We're gonna base it off the V3 Rocket Bunny kit for the FRS.
Oh.
Or the Rally Backer. But it's gonna be something never be seen on a 350. So.
God, that'd be so cool. Because like Tim's got the V3.
Yeah, and you
on
see how
his
aggressive
BRZ.
it looks.
It's ridiculous. That
Like-
thing's. It's got just so many little fins and canards. God, that'd be so cool on a 350.
Yeah. So get up and go.
Yeah.
Hey, Granny. She's like, wow, look at that.
Cool.
You gotta do the review on that guy's MR2, that gray one. I love his car. Like,
Yeah, that thing's sick. I would love to see how that compares to a Miata, because that's
Yeah,
like
exactly.
similar caliber to a Miata. Well, this has been
Nice.
sick. Yeah. So if you guys want, go follow his Instagram. I'll put it bottom of the screen. Subscribe, like, comment, all that stuff, and I'll see you guys next time.